Good morning, angels. Good morning. Oh my god, it's been so long since I vlogged. Like, I don't even know when the last time I vlogged for you guys. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to come and talk to you guys. Today we will be vlogging, and today is a special day, guys, because I am actually going to an event today in New York City. It's actually a beauty event that I was invited to from Revlon Cosmetics, and it is the launch of their new campaign, Live Boldly. So I'm super excited to go. I'm super excited to network, meet new people. I don't even know all what's gonna come out of this opportunity, but I'm just excited. I don't even know why they chose me. Like, I don't even know how they got my contact information. Like, I don't even know. Let's just say, guys, extra good. I know that Candy Johnson is supposed to be there. I know Makeup by Mario is supposed to be there. So, you know, these are some well-named people. I heard Gabrielle Union was going to be there. Not really sure of everybody that's going to be there, but I know that your girl is going to be in the building. Yes. Anyway, guys, look at my nails. I did they are not acrylic, but they are like press-on nails. I glued them on and everything. I will make sure I get that video up for you because it was like a DIY Valentine's Day nail video that I did. So I don't know if this video is going to be up before the nails or after the nails, whatever, but just know the nails is coming. Anyway, they allowed me to bring a +1 today, so I decided to bring my sister Toya. And Toya actually is coming straight from work, and then we are going to work everything out and go straight up to New York. And my mom was nice enough to watch the kids because my husband actually is at work already. I got up at 4 a.m. this morning, so thank God I don't look like what I've been through, because I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. I had to get all the kids washed up and dressed and ready for school, everything, make sure lunches was packed, make sure everything was literally done before my mom got here. So all she has to do is just put them on the bus. So I'll just be taking you guys along on this journey, and let's get it. 2018 is our year, angels. Like, let's fucking go.
Hey y'all, on our way to New York. Anyway, y'all, look, on my ponytail is so high, it's literally almost hitting like the it's right. Almost hitting the car the car ceiling. Let's see if I can show you. Like, it's so high that I'm practically like hitting the top of the car. But look, let me show y'all, we're on our way, expressway bound.
What is that thing? Where? Roadkill. So anyway, I think we got, it was like a 2-hour drive, but
let me see.
You might have hit something.
It's kind of dark. There you go, that's better.
Oh,
that's a little better.
Yeah, we're running into a little bit of traffic. It's about a 2-hour drive, and I'm just excited. I don't know what to expect from this, but I'm like excited to see everybody and everything going on. Okay, guys, let me drive.
Yeah, because we're running into traffic, it look like.
Okay, Angel, so this is like the itinerary that we got when we first got there, of how they had the day planned out and everything. So I'm gonna kind of walk you guys through everything, just because I didn't get too much footage. But this is the entrance. Like, when you first came in, they had security guards and everything there for you to check in. You had to be on the list. It was invite only. This is where you make your customized bags, and they were like heat pressing all the different bags. Whatever you put on your bag, the way you wanted it designed, that's how it was made. I'm sorry, guys, that this footage is sideways. I did not realize my phone was sideways. But the way the venue was set up, it was like 2 levels. So you came in on that first level, and then once you went downstairs, everything was going on at the main level, that bottom level down there. So this is how everything looked. There was a lot of areas that was for seating. They had like a lot of different things going on. Keep in mind, this was a 2-day event, angels. The first night was like a invite only. Once again, it was like a night party and stuff like this. And this is day 2. This is like the day event. It wasn't too much filming going on at this event. So I was pretty much trying to catch as much footage as I could on my cell phone. As you guys can see, Mario, Makeup by Mario, is actually on the stage now doing his thing. And he was very, very cool and down to earth. And he was doing a makeup tutorial on this model. And the model was beautiful, like very beautiful. You guys will see in a minute the footage of the model. But he was also answering a bunch of questions, any questions that the audience had. He made sure he answered all those questions, and he explained everything to the audience as well. So here you can actually see the model, and he started off with like a really purple cute eyeliner, and he smoked it out real nice. So the tutorial was just the bomb, just to see him working in action, just because he is known for doing celebrity makeup. This is what he's paid for. And I actually got to be in this class for free. I don't know if you guys know, Makeup Mario's classes is starting at $800 per class. So this was absolutely a blessing, and you can just see how amazing he is at what he does. And over here is where they kind of like broke out into sections, and we were actually able to test out all the new makeup that Revlon has coming out. And they had like a lot of areas right here where you can take pictures and stuff. This was like a wall filled with all lipsticks on it, and you see empty spots because all you had to do was pluck it off, and you could have took as many lipsticks, and you could have took as many of these nail polishes as you see as well. And it was just gorgeous. Do you see how everything is set up? Then he had this really cute wall right here that says "Take Me," and you can just take a lot of photos and stuff there. And then they had like the little seating, like beanie bag seatings, and the clear chairs. And this is like another one of those setup areas, like a booth area, where you get a chance to test out their new lip creams that are actually coming out. And they had a station for foundations, a station for mascaras, lip creams, the roll-on eyeliners, and they had like a highlighters section. They came out with a new eyeshadow palette, so they had a section for, and then they had like all of these little private areas that you can go into, and this says Bold Ink. And inside here, that girl that you see there is actually a YouTuber as well. I met like a lot of cool YouTubers, and this guy right here, we networked as well. He's really cool. We connected on Instagram and everything, and we exchanged each other's information. It was an awesome way to like network. It wasn't just YouTubers there, it was like YouTubers, beauty bloggers, makeup artists, or whatever. I'm not sure how they actually got their list of people that they invited, but it was everybody that was associated with the beauty community in some kind of way. So they were doing temporary tattoos in there, and that's where I got my Revlon temporary tattoo. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have definitely seen that. And then this area here was like a very cute ice cream shop. It says Super Lustrous, and they had like all these different ice cream flavors, and they even had sherbet as well. So you basically tell them what kind of ice cream you wanted, and they really were some really nice girls, and they made the ice cream the way I wanted it. I actually decided to go with frozen sherbet, I think it was. So I got some sherbet, and then they put on there like 2 chocolate sticks, and they put on there some jimmies, and that Kiss Taffy is actually a chocolate Kiss Taffy. So everything there you could eat, and it had like a nice waffle cone, and then it had a little cute booth set up right here where you can take like a Live Boldly photo of your ice cream. So it was just so cute. And then this is Candy Johnson doing her thing. She actually had a black girl so she was doing this black girl makeup, and I can't remember what it was. I think it was like a natural makeup look she was doing on her. And as you can see her in her element, she is just full of drama, and she is just amazing. And she was just talking to the audience and telling them kind of like her makeup story and answering questions and stuff like that as well. So after that, we actually had a lunch break too, and they had food and stuff there, which I didn't get any footage of. And this is one of the girls that I met swinging on the swing, so we took a lot of photos there And then that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna let this vlog play out the rest of the way. Champagne toast.
I know, I drunk mine. Yes, I already have.
I should have got an extra one. That's alright. Look at these gorgeous ladies. I'm supposed to be vlogging, but I wasn't, so y'all gotta get in the video. Tell them your YouTube channel.
Hikari Fleur. Instagram at Miss Fleur.
Oh, she put the IG in it.
Instagram at Pretty Amazing Lash without the G.
Yes, so make sure y'all go support them.
Oh, yeah, champagne. Ooh.
Okay. So the new year, 2018, big things.
Revlon.
Right. Yes, we got our bags, y'all. Yes. I wish they would have had that on the back of this. Because I did want that. What y'all want to say to the camera? Did y'all have a great time?
Shout out to everyone. I had fun.
Yes. This exclusive event.
Thank you for everything that's up in this bag. Actually, ma'am, let me tell y'all, she's everything in person plus like 100. Like, she's so beautiful.
Yes. And what you think about Mario?
Mario.
I learned a lot from him. I learned a lot.
Really awesome.
Yep, everything was nice.
Yes, and Kandee, love you, girl. Personality, story, loved it.
Oh, yeah,
yes.
So humble, so sweet,
definitely.
Yep, everything was great, right?
I loved it. I can't wait to the next one. Hopefully there's a next one.
Yes, wink, wink.